Did you know World War I started because an assassin stopped for a sandwich? On June 28, 1914, 6 men waited along the streets of Sarajevo to kill Archduke Franz Ferdinand. The first assassin, Mehmed Basic, lost his nerve completely and fled when the royal motorcade approached. Next, Chabrinovic threw a bomb that bounced right off the car and exploded harmlessly behind it. Popovich couldn't throw his weapon because the crowd was too thick. 3 others simply froze when the moment came. By noon, all 6 had failed miserably. Gavrilo Princip gave up and went to grab lunch at a sandwich shop, but then something incredible happened. The Archduke's driver took a wrong turn and stopped directly in front of Princip's cafe. The car sat there, engine stalled, just feet away. Princip couldn't believe it. He stepped outside and fired 2 shots. Both the Archduke and his wife died instantly. One sandwich break accidentally triggered the deadliest war in human history.